Hello friends, welcome to our channel Shivik Dayatri. So today we are here at Jagala waterfall near Tallinn, Estonia. Girls were having fun and you can see the beautiful view of nature. And it's around 20 minutes walk from the last stop and we'll reach the waterfall. So let's go. And now you can see the waterfall. This place is so relaxing and peaceful and not so crowded. And we had so much fun in the water.
Hey you, I think you should know. Hey you, I'm feeling it so.
Jagala waterfall is a waterfall in the lower course of the Jagala river and approximately 4 kilometers before the river flows into the Gulf of Finland. And the waterfall approximately 8 meter high and the more than 50 meter wide. And it is the widest natural waterfall in Estonia. It's an amazing place to chill out with family and friends. If you are in Tallinn, you must see this waterfall. If you like this video, please like and subscribe to my channel. Thank you.